The Tunisian griddle stitch for your first time will be a Tunisian simple stitch. The next one will be a Tunisian double stitch. So you yarn over and into the vertical, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through two. So one is a simple and the other is a double. So the next one will be a Tunisian simple stitch. And then what's the next one? A double. So just continue to do that all the way across. So one stitch will have a bit of bulk and the other stitch will just be the simple, easy going one. Okay, and the last one here before the edge is a Tunisian double because it's an even number. And so the edge goes in, pull through, and now chain one, and then do your pulling it through two all the way across. So this is the first pass, and in the next time we do this, we have to change it slightly to compensate to make the griddle stitch. So you see it looks slightly different. So you see clunky, simple, just easy way to remember it. So this was a simple. So the first one has to be a double. So we have to chain one first and then make this as a double. So wrap and in, pull through two and hold. The simple way to remember this is that whatever was below, it's opposite to what is above it. So this is clunky. So this is now going to be a simple stitch. This is simple. So now it has to be a double. And you're doing that all the way across. So clunky becomes simple, and simple becomes clunky with the double. So every other stitch is this one, and it will be easy to remember it, and you can see it below as well. Okay, the edge will be handled the same way. Okay, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through two loops all the way through. And so this is the griddle stitch because it makes the stitches look unique. It's a way of getting a bit of texture without too much complication. So you're going to start again. So you can see it's clunky, simple. So if it's clunky to start, you're just going to not chain one, just start with a simple and then make the next one clunky. No technical words today. Okay, so this is clunky, so we make it simple. The next one, we make it clunky. And so you just have two different rows in order to make this stitch work, and it's really neat. This is the Tunisian griddle stitch.